Hi everyone! As stated before, no one answered week 5 challenge correctly, and so I wanted to take this time to walk you through the steps on how to get to the right answer. Um, Answering this challenge, it required more than just the arithmetic piece. You had to look in a little closer to see what was given in the actual picture, and some things were not obvious as others. So let's take a closer look to see what was given in the picture. In the first row, we see an image of a person. In the second row, we see an image of a magic wand. In the third row, we see an image of brooms. And in the last row, we see a combination of all three. Now, here are some things that were not as obvious. If you take a look in the third row, second column, right here, it appears to be two brooms as opposed to one, and you could compare it to the broom in the front or in the back. You'll see that there are two brooms attached. If you look in the last row, you'll see quite a few things. Let's look at the person first. You'll see that the person in the first row has a magic wand and a broom, whereas this person did not have the magic wand and the broom. And also, if you compare the magic wand here to the one in the second row, you'll see that there's actually two magic wands that's attached, right? And so those are some of the things that were not easily identifiable. Let's get started. We see that in the first row, the person total up to 45. So that tells me that each person was 15 apiece because 15 plus 15 plus 15 is equal to 45. In row 2, I see that the total is 21. The wand is, that tells me that the wand is 7 apiece, all right, because it's the same exact thing. In row 3, again, we said that there were two brooms attached here in the third row, second column, and we had one broom here, one broom here. The total was 12, and so that tells me that each broom is worth 3, and so here would be 6 because we had two brooms there. And in the last row, we have one broom here. We have two magic wands. Each one is worth 7. So that tells me that that right here is 14. And again, if we compare the person in the top row was holding the wand and the broom. In the bottom row, the person did not have the wand nor the broom. And so that tells me I need to go back and subtract that from the total 15. So the wand we said was worth 7. The broom is worth 3, so that's a total of 10. Now, if we go back and subtract the 10 from the original 15, this would give us the answer to what the person is worth, right? And so 15 take away 10 is 5, and so I know that the person is worth 5. Now, in order to compute this last row, I need to consider order of operation. Order of operation tells me to multiply before I add, and so I'm multiplying 14 times 5. 14 times 5 is 70. Add in that 3. Final answer is 73. I want to say thank you to those that attempted this challenge, and I hope this helped. I look forward to see what you're submitting for week 6 challenge. Bye.